हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी विद दीप यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 8 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस चैप्टर 5 क्लॉजेज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाला हूं। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे प्रीवियस मैंने चारों चैप्टर्स के सॉल्यूशन वीडियो अपलोड कर दिए हैं। यदि आपने वीडियोस को नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको इंग्लिश के प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक दिया गया है, तो आप लोग प्लेलिस्ट पे जाके किसी भी वीडियो को इजीली देख सकते हैं। तो आज मैं आपको इस चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन देने वाला हूँ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Remember, a complex sentence is always made up of one main clause and one or more subordinate clause. एक complex sentence main clause से बना हुआ होता है, इसके साथ साथ इसमें एक या एक से ज़्यादा subordinate clauses भी ऐड होते हैं। Question number B. Read the sentences given below. Write the clauses. Also mark the subject and the finite verb in each clause. They stopped when the sun set. Independent was they stopped. Dependent when the sun set. There was a king who chose to live in a forest. Independent, there was a king. Dependent, who chose to live in a forest. स्टूडेंट्स, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर पे भी वीडियोस अपलोड है। एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सॉल्यूशन प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आप लोग जाकर के देख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, टेल मी हाउ यू कंप्लीटेड द वर्क। इंडिपेंडेंट, टेल मी। डिपेंडेंट, हाउ यू कंप्लीटेड द वर्क। क्वेश्चन 4, द गर्ल हु वाज फ्रॉम दिल्ली वॉन द क्राउन। इंडिपेंडेंट, द गर्ल वॉन द क्राउन हु वाज फ्रॉम दिल्ली। 5th, the man whose car was stolen had to stay in the police station. Independent, the man had to stay in the police station. Dependent, whose car was stolen. अब हम लोग आगे देखते हैं। The movie that we saw was boring. Independent, the movie was boring. Dependent, that we saw. 7th, you won't reach the school on time unless you hurry. Independent, you won't reach the school on time. Dependent, unless you hurry. 8th, the lady whom we saw yesterday is my neighbor. Independent, the lady is my neighbor. Dependent, whom we saw yesterday. 9th, the bridge which was built a year back has collapsed. Independent, the bridge has collapsed. Dependent, which was built a year back. 10th, if the guests are coming, the flat should be properly cleaned. Independent, the flat should be properly cleaned. Dependent, if the guests are coming. वर्कशीट टू रीड द फॉलोइंग, ये आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा। हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर बी देखते हैं। कंबाइन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग हु दैट वन एग्जांपल हैज बीन डन फॉर यू। क्वेश्चन 1, ए मैन हैज बीन गिवन डेथ सेंटेंस। ही हैड assassinated a minister. Answer, the man who had assassinated a minister has been given death sentence. Question 2, a cricketer has been banned from playing. He had fixed a match. A cricketer who had fixed a match has been banned from playing. Question 3, a social activist has got an award. He works for spreading literacy. Answer, a social activist who works for spreading literacy has got an award. 4th, an actor won the Best Actor award. He played the role of Sardar Patel. An actor who enacted the role of Sardar Patel won the Best Actor award. 5th, a woman is our immediate neighbor. She writes poetry. A woman who writes poetry is our immediate neighbor. Question 6, anti-thief car alarms are a nuisance. They start ringing just with a touch. Answer, anti-thief car alarm that start ringing just with a touch are a nuisance. Question 7. A man always thinks positively. He is sure to succeed in life. A man is sure to succeed in life who always thinks positively. Question 8. The new flyover has been thrown open to the public. It had been under construction for 3 years. The new flyover that has been under construction for 3 years has been thrown open to the public. Question 9. A girl has won the silver medal in Olympics. She is our country's best weightlifter. A girl who is our country's best weightlifter has won the silver medal in the Olympics. Remember, connectors who, which and that are used in different ways. Connectors जैसे कि who, which और that को different ways में यूज़ किया जाता है. who को यूज़ किया जाता है ह्यूमन बींग्स के बारे में बात करने के लिए. which को यूज़ किया जाता है नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के बारे में बात करने के लिए. और that का यूज़ ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए भी किया जाता है और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए भी किया जाता है. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसे आप लोग ध्यान में रखिएगा. हम लोग आगे देखते हैं. Worksheet 3. Complete the following passage by filling the blanks with which, who, whom, whose or that. Delhi, which is called the heart of India, is considered to be an amazing tourist spot. The city has many monuments, some amazing shopping complexes and a few botanical gardens. It is also famous for some luxury hotels that are known for their hospitality. The Delhi Palace, which is situated on the right bank of Yamuna River, is one such hotel. Mr. Mehta, who built this hotel 40 years back, attributes its success to his staff that is highly dedicated and efficient, to his son, who is an epitome of professionalism. His son, whose reputation for being an excellent manager is widespread, looks after the hotel arrangements himself now. The guests, whom he treats like his family members, speak volumes for his hospitality. Amit Ghosh, who once stayed in this hotel, calls it the next best place to home. The river which flows by hotel carries itself numerous flowers whose fragrance floats in the air whole day. Worksheet 4. Read the following sentences and identify the main clause and the subordinate clause in each of the sentences. First, she thought that she was safe there. Main clause, she thought. Subordinate clause, that she was safe there. Second, the CCTV footage proved that the man had stolen the cash. Main clause, that the man had stolen the cash, the CCTV footage proved. Third, I think that you need to meditate. Main clause, I think. Subordinate clause, that you need to meditate. Fourth, tell me how you solved this problem. Main clause, tell me. Subordinate clause, how you solved this problem. Fifth, can you tell who wrote the Gitanjali? Main clause, can you tell? Subordinate clause, who wrote the Gitanjali. Sixth, she was very hopeful that she would win. Main clause, she was very hopeful. Subordinate clause, that she would win. Seventh, I believe that he is a good person. Main clause, I believe. Subordinate clause, that he is a good person. Eighth, they felt that they should have won the tournament. Main clause, they felt. Subordinate clause, that they should have won the tournament. B. Rewrite the following clues and complete the sentences using the words given in bracket. One example has been done. First, I believe you should succeed. I believe that you should succeed. Second, he will lose the college election is certain. He will lose college election, that is certain. अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. थर्ड, सी सेज हर अंकल इज अनवेल. सी सेज दैट हर अंकल इज अनवेल. फोर्थ, लॉ शुड पनिश इज गिल्टी. लॉ शुड पनिश हुजेवर इज गिल्टी. फिफ्थ, आई डोंट नो आई शैल रिटर्न. आंसर, आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई शैल रिटर्न. सिक्स्थ, he left the office is a misery. Why he left the office is a mystery. 7th, we can reach on time is uncertain. Whether we can reach on time is uncertain. 8th, tell me you hurt others. Tell me why you hurt others. स्टूडेंट्स ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इससे एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. 9th, ऑन दिस हाउस मस्ट बी रीच. हुएवर ऑन दिस हाउस मस्ट बी रीच. 10th, I surprised to hear their team had won the tournament was. I was surprised to hear that their team had won the tournament. Worksheet 5A. Identify the main clause MC and the subordinate clause SC in the sentences given below. First, Sumit makes friend wherever he goes. Main clause, Sumit makes friends. Subordinate clause, wherever he goes. Second, he slept early that he could wake up early in the next morning. Main clause, he slept early. Subordinate clause, so that he could wake up early in the next morning. Third, if it rains, we shall go out to enjoy ourselves. Main clause, we shall go out to enjoy ourselves. Subordinate clause, if it rains. Fourth, talk to him whenever it is convenient to you. Main clause, talk to him. Subordinate clause, whenever it is convenient to you. Fifth, clean your room before you go to sleep. Main clause, clean your room before. वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स रूम छूट गया है, आप लोग रूम लिख लीजिएगा. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज, you go to sleep. Sixth, wait till the light turns green. Main clause, wait. Subordinate clause, till the light turns green. Seventh, he will surely help me because he is my friend. Main clause, he will surely help me. Subordinate clause, because he is my friend. Eighth, unless you work hard, you won't fare well. Main clause, you won't fare well. Subordinate clause, unless you work hard. Ninth, I would not buy it even if were for free. Main clause, I would not buy it. Subordinate clause, even if it were not free. अब हम लोग 10th देखते हैं. 10th, he visited the house while I was away. Main clause, he visited the house. Subordinate clause, while I was away. B. Complete the following sentences by adding suitable subordinate clauses. First, put this table where it would look beautiful. Second, I shall meet you whenever you are free. Third, it was dark because there was no street light. Fourth, think before you speak. They arrived before the morning time. Question 6. I will take the message in order to help you. 7th. Although I was busy, I gave the letter to his mother. 8th. She walked into the room quietly so that her brother might not get up. Worksheet 6. Read the following sentences about Kalpana Chawla, the girl who lost her life while returning to the earth after a journey into the space. Identify the main clause and the subordinate clause. Remember that one complex sentence may contain more than one subordinate clause. One example has been done to help you. First, it was characteristic of her that she chose the latter. Main clause. It was characteristic of her. Subordinate clause, that she chose the latter. Second, as she reached her 8th grade, Kalpana first gave vent to her resolve when she proclaimed that engineering was going to be her vocation. Main clause, Kalpana first gave vent to her resolve. Subordinate clause, as she reached her 8th grade. Subordinate clause, when she proclaimed. Subordinate clause, that engineering was going to be her vocation. Third, Kalpana believed that her vocation would be flight engineering. Main clause, Kalpana believed. Subordinate clause, that her vocation would be flight engineering. Fourth, after she started topping her class, her batchmates noticed that she had started getting very organized. Main clause, her batchmates noticed. Subordinate clause, after she started topping her class. Subordinate clause, that she had started getting very organized. Fifth, while she was heading towards the conclusion of her graduation degree, Kalpana had already begun to troll American universities. Main clause, Kalpana had already begun to troll American universities. Subordinate clause, while she was heading towards the conclusion of her graduation degree. Sixth, Kalpana zeroed in on UTA because she was convinced that it offered good research opportunities. Main clause, Kalpana zeroed in on UTA. Subordinate clause, because she was convinced. एक बार और subordinate clause, that it offered good research opportunities. अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Seventh, though she was angry at the initial rejection, she kept up her entreaties to the family as time started closing in on her admission date. Main clause, she kept up her entreaties to the family. Subordinate clause, though she was angry at the initial rejection. Subordinate clause, as time started closing is on her admission date. Eighth and last, it is something that you would want to do. Main clause, it is something. Subordinate clause, that you want to do. Do it yourself. Identify and underline the main clauses in the sentences. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ अंडरलाइन द मेन क्लॉजेस को ही पढ़ रहा हूँ. यू मे बी एबल टू वॉच ए क्रिकेट चिरपिंग. लिसन केयरफुली. Walk slowly towards him. It will be a male. Move closer. उससे पहले एक होगा stop. You may be able to get a close enough to see him. Question 2. Combine the following sentences using the conjunction given in the brackets. A. The monsoon failed miserably. Most of the states were hit by severe drought. Most of the states were hit by severe drought because the monsoon failed miserably. B. I went to a Gujarati restaurant. My friend had suggested it. I went to a Gujarati restaurant which my friend had suggested. C. He read my letter. He called me up. He called me up after he read my letter. D. I liked the book much. I bought up a personal copy. I liked the book so much that I bought a personal copy. E. Ritika is intelligent. We know. We know that Ritika is intelligent. F. Where do you live? Tell me. Tell me where do you live. Third, supply a suitable main clause for the following subordinate clause. First, don't go out while it is sunny. B. Those who live in a glass houses should not throw a stone. She forgot where she had kept her purse. D. Thank you for that tea that I certainly needed. E. He had not told the reason why he left that job. F. You told me how it happened. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हमारा सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया. मैंने आपको एक वीडियो में पूरा सॉल्यूशन दे दिया. यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दीजिए. इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ अधिक से अधिक शेयर कीजिए. यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके और प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाता रहता हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा और आगे के चैप्टर्स के वीडियोज़ को भी जरूर देख लीजिएगा. प्लेलिस्ट पे आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.